and today I'm going to tell you about the circulatory system and the respiratory system of the human body. As in the last video, I told you about the human body, that we have organ systems and about the nervous system. Well, today it's a bit different, so let's start. So, circulatory system. So the circulatory system is a transport system of the body. Means it transports blood to all parts of the body. It consists of hearts and blood vessels. Blood and nutrients flow through these organs and it is distributed equally to all parts of the body. So now I've told you this, that circulatory system comprises of heart and blood vessels. Let's learn about these in detail. So first is the heart. Heart, which is a muscular organ. So the heart is made up of muscles. And muscles are small body, like soft body tissues. Okay. Then of the size of human fist. So suppose my fist is this much. So my heart is only this much. But my mom's fist is more bigger. It's like something like this. Okay. And so her heart is that much. It pumps blood throughout the body and it also supplies blood. A human heart beats 60 to 100 times per minute. Do you want to know a fact? Actually, in men, the heart beats a bit slower, but in women, it beats a bit faster, women and children. Okay, so now blood vessels. Blood vessels which carry blood to all parts of the body, from the heart to all parts of the body and back to the heart. Because why does it carry it back to the heart? It should just go on to the body parts and never bring it back. Well, that's wrong. If there's some impure blood, like blood containing carbon dioxide, then the heart pumps and pumps it, and then again the blood spreads out throughout the body. Now, the function of the circulatory system. So it circulates oxygen-rich blood. So our body needs oxygen-rich blood for us to survive. It needs oxygen-rich blood and to all parts of the body and from the heart, and brings back the impure blood, as I told you, blood containing carbon dioxide, to the heart, and the heart pumps it and brings it back to all parts of the body. So the circulatory system is the lifeline of our body. To take care of our heart, we should eat a healthy balanced diet, exercise regularly, and go for regular medical checkups. So now I'm going to tell you about the respiratory system of the human body. All living things breathe in and out continuously. So we can't stop breathing, we have to breathe. And if we hold our breath for too long, then it will harm the body. It will not even harm the body, but we'll die. Okay, so don't even try that anytime at home. Now, the respiratory system comprises of lungs, nose and mouth, trachea or windpipe, and diaphragm. So look, as you can see over here, there's this picture. So this is the nose, this is the mouth, this is the trachea or the windpipe. So there are actually two types of pipes. That is the food pipe, okay, and the windpipe. And if the food goes in this windpipe, then you'll die. But if the wind goes in the food pipe, then it won't harm the body that much, but maybe it will harm the body a bit, not that much. Then here are the lungs. So the left lung is smaller than the right lung because the left lung needs space. The heart, where will the heart fit? Because the heart is located in the left part of our lungs. So that's why this is a bit more smaller. Then this is the diaphragm. Diaphragm is a bit new, and trachea too, but I'll make you understand all of that. So now, the lungs. So we have two lungs located in our chest. So then, lungs are one of the most important organs of the human body and need to be kept strong and healthy. So to take care of our lungs, we should actually avoid all pollution, air pollution and all those stuff. Okay. Next comes the nose and mouth. When we breathe, air enters and exits our lungs from the nose and mouth. Okay, so when we breathe, what is the nose useful for? When we breathe, the nose breathes air and takes it to the lungs, and the lungs and the air exits our lungs from the nose too. And actually, the trachea is also connected to the mouth. So we can also breathe by our mouth. Suppose I'm closing my nose. like that. I'm being able to breathe by my mouth. Okay, but breathing through your nose is healthier because there are nose hairs on our body which is not like, and there's some mucus. Okay, so the nose hair traps the mucus like in the hair. Okay, and but mouth doesn't have any special thing to do that. So that's why we should breathe from the nose. Trachea or windpipe, as I told you, it is a two-pillar organ which connects the nose and the mouth to the lungs. I told you, nose and mouth. Okay, so now diaphragm. Now I'll try to explain you in simple way what is diaphragm. So it is an arc curved muscle located immediately below the lungs. Okay, not above the lungs. It's never above the lungs. Okay, so when the diaphragm contracts, then the lungs expand and we breathe in. And when the diaphragm relaxes, the lungs contract and we breathe out. Okay, so now the function of the respiratory system. The main function of the respiratory system is the exchange of gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. So when the air enters the lungs, the blood flowing through its walls takes in fresh oxygen-rich air and disposes of carbon dioxide with the air when we breathe out. So that's enough for today. And actually, I want to ask you one question. So this is a quiz. I am the body system that is responsible for exchange of gases. So it's one of the systems that we just learned today, and I'll give you 5 seconds to guess what that is. Yes, it is the respiratory system. If you guessed that it is the respiratory system, then you are correct because I just said it in the last paragraph. So I hope you liked today's video, and bye. I'll be back with more fun videos but related to the human body. There are the muscular system and the skeletal system. Bye.